Ever wondered how a hearty and flavorful village chicken stew is made? The answer lies not just in the ingredients, but in the love and care that goes into preparing this comforting dish. So, buckle up as we journey through this culinary adventure. First, we start with a whole chicken cut into pieces. Rinse these under cold water and pat them dry, seasoning with a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Now it's time for some heat. In a large pot, olive oil sizzles over medium heat, waiting to embrace the chicken pieces. Brown them on all sides, then set them aside for now. They'll be back, don't worry. Next, it's the onions and garlic's turn to dance in the pot. As they saute, their aroma fills the air, their translucent bodies a sign that it's time to stir in the vegetables. Tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, bell pepper, green beans, and peas join the pot, cooking until they begin to soften. Their vibrant colors paint a beautiful culinary picture. Now, add the tomato paste, bay leaves, dried thyme, paprika, salt, and pepper. Stirring to coat the vegetables in the tomato paste and spices, the pot becomes a medley of flavors. The browned chicken pieces return to the pot, nestling among the vegetables. Pour in the chicken broth, covering the ingredients and setting the stage for the simmer. Bring the stew to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. As it simmers, the flavors meld together, the chicken cooks through, and the vegetables become tender. Before serving, it's time for a taste test. Adjust the seasoning if necessary, adding more salt, pepper, or herbs to suit your preference. Remove the bay leaves and garnish the village chicken stew with fresh parsley. Now, it's ready to be served and savored, hot and delicious, either on its own or with crusty bread for a complete and satisfying meal. This village chicken stew, rich with flavors and brimming with nourishment, embodies the essence of traditional village cooking. Adapt the ingredients based on what's available locally, and feel free to make it your own. After all, the best recipes are the ones that are shared, loved, and made with a personal touch. So, enjoy this culinary journey and relish the heartiness of the village chicken stew.